Hello friends! Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of avatars. Let's explore how to create them using AI. Did you know many YouTube and news channels are already using AI avatars? I am Nairobi from Brighten Up. I'll show you an easy way to create your own animated or realistic avatar using artificial intelligence. Plus, I'll reveal the secrets to creating a super sleek avatar and setting up your AI-driven news channel. By the end, you'll be a pro at making these avatars. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. You'll find all the links you need in the video description. Let's get started. Step 1. Create an avatar using Leonardo AI. After sign up, you will get free credits. Also, you can upgrade to more credits. Before making sure our avatars look right at the camera, stand straight, and keep a serious face. In the left menu, click the image generation. Then add some prompt. I am writing. Happy woman using laptop. Hit the generate button. Wow, it's look very nice. You can try different style also, like 3D animation style. Try many more. So I am going to select this one for now and download it. So, avatar is ready. If you're looking to give your avatar a fresh look for your YouTube or news channel, let's try out Super Look AI and see what we can come up with. Let's log in the Super Look AI. Let's head to Discover Styles and hit Generate Look. Make sure to upload the right images for a stunning avatar. Select the avatar you've created earlier and hit Wow to see the first round of random looks. Let's wait and see the options. You can regenerate as well. I like this one. Remember, to remove the watermark or access unlimited looks, you'll need to upgrade. So, let's download this one. Let me show you how to remove the watermark. Let's go to Watermark Remover IO. Upload the image. Looks all the watermark is already removed. Let's download this image. Our avatar model is all set. Now let's make it talk. We'll be using HeyGen for this. With a free account, you'll receive some free credits, but you can always upgrade if you need more. Let's dive in and log into your account. Once logged in, choose the video avatar option. You'll see multiple avatars to choose from, or you can upload your own. Click on the avatar you prefer. Next, you can edit this avatar by selecting the audio and adjusting the speed. There are multiple voices to choose from, so listen to a few and select the one you like best.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Once done, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Create Video with AI Studio. On the right side, you'll find options to edit the text, adjust speed, and add pauses. Simply add your text there. Additionally, you can upload an audio file or record your own voiceover. It's all about customizing your video to perfection.
I'm Nairobi from Brighten Up, and together, let's embark on this journey.
Let's preview it.
I'm Nairobi from Brighten Up, and together, let's embark on this journey.
If you're satisfied with the text or voice, don't hesitate to hit submit. And while you wait for your creation, why not spread some love for the channel? Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.
I'm Nairobi from Brighten Up,
Also,
and together,
keep in mind that you
let's
can
embark on
download the
this
file in 720px resolution. If you upgrade, you'll have access to even higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K. So, did you catch how engagingly the avatar spoke? Pretty cool, huh? Now, let me introduce you to another fascinating AI-powered talking avatar. And the best part? It's affordable too. Meet the Natural User Interface, DID, with the free trial. You can create videos up to 5 minutes long each month for free. However, please note that there will be a watermark displayed full screen. Let's go ahead and log in to start exploring the free trial. Just create a video, then choose a presenter or generate a presenter. There are multiple avatars. You can select or upload your own. I am uploading mine. Let's log in and upload. Add your script also or record and add an audio file. So for now, I'm going to add audio file. To create audio, I'm using AI tool that is 11 Lab. So let's go to the 11 Labs. Here you can generate your voice in many of the styles. Now upload this audio file. I have already created a 11 Labs tutorial. You can check this. Now, click the Generate the Video button.
Hello friend, I'll show you how can you create talking AI avatar for your YouTube channel.
Looks good, right? Let's download it. Did you like how the avatar spoke? Cool, right? Now, let me show you how to make news videos using Canva. Let's log into your Canva account and select the video option. Upload your avatar and choose a news template. Let's try with HeyGen 1. Now, navigate to Elements and add an image frame. Within that frame, insert your avatar. Let's play it back and see how it looks.
I'm Nairobi from brightnupai.
You can add multiple slides and use different avatar styles. Once you're satisfied, let's create a YouTube channel and upload the video.
Together, let's embark on this journey. I'm Nairobi from brightnupai.
Now, we've got avatars in different styles. Hope this video helps you make your own avatar. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out the video below to learn how to create AI influencers for your YouTube and Instagram. Thank you.